my YouTube channel. Today we will be making a super sweet, literally and figuratively, recipe that we found online. Nutella popsicles. I mean, cause Nutella is good, popsicles are good, smash them together, and it is literally harmony. So today we will be trying to make those. Here are the ingredients you'll need. We have some milk, some Nutella, of course, because it's called Nutella popsicles, some sweet condensed milk, and some heavy whipping cream. The sizes vary. It matters how many popsicles you want to make. Well, we have 4, so we're not doing as much as the people who have 6. So guys, we have our ingredients right here, we have a blender right here, and now it's time to blend the ingredients. Also, if you want to make this for yourself, check out the description, because I'll have info about that there. So, you don't have to put the ingredients in the blender at any order. You can put the Nutella in first, you can put whatever in first. Order doesn't really matter. So, we got this. It doesn't look very appetizing now, but it will look appetizing when it's finished, guys. I promise. It is, if it's done right. Hopefully I'm doing it right. I don't know, I'm not much of a cook. So, spoon the Nutella in, because Nutella's the star of the show here. Okay, and now we are going to blend the ingredients, and I'll see you in a second. Guys, so I have finished blending the smoothie, or soon to be popsicle, and now we have to pour it into the molds. So you want to fill it about 3/4, maybe a bit more. Okay, blend this up. This already looks really good. Tasty. Too bad it needs to cool overnight. I hate waiting for food to cool. So annoying. So I'm going to finish filling this up. And we still have some extra. So I'm
Maybe first one, yeah.
Make this a bit more even, yeah, the first one. Maybe the last one bit. And now they are all filled up. So we're gonna put these in here.
Okay, careful guys. Can you put it in? Careful.
Okay. They got special little straws to drink melted popsicle. I never know these words are hard. So now we're gonna put them in the freezer overnight. Like I said, I hate waiting for food to cool, but whatever. And then in the morning, we will be back to try them. So guys, it is now morning and the popsicles are done. But they're really cold for being in the freezer for that long. So we're gonna dip them in some warm water. It's not gonna melt them. It's just going to make it so they're not as hard. I'll need some help from my mom with that because I don't think I can do that on my own. So let's do that really quick.
Yep. Oh. Yep.
Popsicle.
Okay.
Yum.
One.
Whatever.
Smell it so fast.
So we got our popsicle and it's time to taste them. You can literally taste Nutella when you lick it. These have to be the best Nutella ingredients in the whole wide world. They have to be. Delicious. Yeah, they're better when they're a bit soft. I think So guys, anyway, that's the end of this video. And me and you are gonna go enjoy these popsicles. So this was Angelica. Peace out. Bye. Yeah.